Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to attach the OWC ClingOn to a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 device to help keep your cable connections secure. Though this video shows the ClingOn being installed on external drive enclosures, it can also be used on other devices, such as docks or hubs. We've got our materials together and are working on a soft static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first step is to rotate the ClingOn so that the small hole is near the top and the adhesive side is facing out. Then, insert your USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 cable into the other end of the ClingOn. It may be a little tight depending on your cable, and you may have to wiggle it slightly. Stop when the flat edge of the cable just past the connector is flush with the adhesive side of the ClingOn. Peel off the paper covering the adhesive and plug the cable into the device you'd like to install the ClingOn onto. Once the cable is plugged in, push the ClingOn against the device to ensure the connector sticks securely. If your device has a small screw hole above the Thunderbolt connector, you can use the small thumb screw that comes with the ClingOn to help keep the connection secure. If you wish to disconnect a cable from a device that has a ClingOn installed, hold the ClingOn in place while simultaneously wiggling the cable out of its connection. If you used the thumb screw, it'll help keep the ClingOn in place, making it easier to remove the cable without removing the ClingOn itself. Similarly, to reconnect a cable, you'll need to wiggle the cable slightly as you push it into the ClingOn fitted connector. You can now hook your device back up to your computer and enjoy the security of your reinforced USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 connector.